Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make corn chips from scratch. First, we begin with dried corn kernels. You will soak these kernels in a solution of food-grade slaked lime and water for about 8 to 12 hours. This ancient process, called nixtamalization, is crucial for flavor and texture, and it also makes the corn more nutritious. After soaking, rinse the corn very well. Next, we take our nixtamalized corn and grind it into a smooth dough, known as masa. You can use a sturdy food processor or a specialized masa grinder for this. The goal is a pliable dough, similar to Play-Doh, that holds its shape without being too sticky or too dry. If it feels a bit dry, add water, 1 tablespoon at a time, until it's just right. Now comes the fun part, shaping and frying. Roll out your masa dough very thinly, aiming for about 1/16 of an inch. Then, cut the dough into your preferred chip shapes, like classic triangles or small squares. Heat a neutral oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and carefully fry the chips for about 2 to 3 minutes until they are beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crispy. Once fried, immediately transfer your hot corn chips to a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. While they are still warm, sprinkle them generously with fine sea salt or your preferred seasoning blend. These homemade corn chips are best enjoyed fresh, perhaps with a zesty salsa, creamy guacamole, or a warm, cheesy queso dip. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.